Email marketing growth hacks. Want to grow your business with email marketing? Building an email list isn't just about getting a big list, it's about getting the right subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. In today's video, I'll walk you through why email marketing is so powerful and how you can start growing a high-quality email list that converts. Let's dive in. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to grow your business. Why? Because it allows you to communicate directly with people who care about your products and services. But here's the catch: not all email lists are created equal. A quality email list of engaged subscribers will always outperform a big list of people who don't care about your business. Let me show you how to build a list that truly works. The first step to building a great email list is to start small. Identify 10 people who align with your target audience, people who need your product or service. Reach out to them personally and invite them to join your list. These 10 high-quality subscribers are the foundation of your email marketing success. Once you have your initial subscribers, ask them to share your list with others in their network. This simple step can create a snowball effect, helping you grow your list with people who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Remember, word of mouth is incredibly powerful. To attract more quality subscribers, you need to know where your target audience spends their time online. Ask your current subscribers where they learn about topics related to your business. This could be blogs, forums, or social media groups. Once you know, you can go directly to these platforms to promote your list effectively. Now that you know where your audience is, promote your list in the right places. Guest post on blogs, join relevant social media groups, and collaborate with influencers or businesses in your niche. By promoting your list where your ideal subscribers already hang out, you'll grow your list with people who truly care about your content. Growing your list is just the beginning. To keep your subscribers engaged, you need to nurture your list by consistently providing value. Share helpful tips, exclusive offers, and personalized emails. The more you build trust and engagement, the more likely your subscribers are to convert into loyal customers. Building a high-quality email list doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on quality over quantity, leveraging word of mouth, and promoting your list in the right places, you'll grow a list that actually drives results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your business through email marketing. Start building your email list today and watch your business thrive.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.